I found my husband's old phone in the kitchen drawer. The screen was cracked and the battery was dead. My son Leo needed a phone for his school trip. His phone was broken. I remembered this old one.
Mom, can I use Dad's old phone?
Leo asked. Yes, but let me check it first, I said. I plugged it into the charger. The phone came to life. The screen lit up. My heart started beating fast. I didn't know why. The phone was still logged into Noah's old accounts. Everything was there. Photos, messages, all from 10 years ago. 10 years ago was when Leo was born. 10 years ago was when life changed. 10 years ago was when I thought we were happy. I looked through the photos. There were pictures of me, pictures of baby Leo, pictures of our house, normal family photos. Then I saw her, a woman with long brown hair. She was beautiful. She was smiling at the camera. Noah stood next to her, his arm around her waist. My hands shook. Who was she? When was this photo taken? The date said 11 years ago. That was before Leo was born. I was pregnant at that time. I felt sick. I sat down in the kitchen chair. There were more photos. She was wearing Noah's jacket in one. They were holding hands in another. Then I found the messages. I love you too, Noah wrote. Can't wait to see you tonight, another message said. My wife doesn't know. She's busy with the baby stuff. The baby stuff, that was me. I was buying baby clothes. I was painting the baby room. I was reading books about being a mother. And Noah was with another woman. I couldn't breathe. For 10 years, I thought we were happy. But it was a lie. Days passed. I couldn't eat. I couldn't sleep. The photos and messages stayed in my mind. What should I do? Tell Noah I knew? Ask him about the woman? Pretend nothing happened? It was 11 years ago. Maybe it didn't matter now. Maybe he was different. Maybe he loved me now. I decided to talk to him. I wanted to forgive him. We had Leo. We had a family. Maybe we could fix this. That Friday night, Leo was at a friend's house. Noah and I were alone. Noah, I said, I need to talk to you. He looked up from his newspaper.
What about?
I know about the cheating. His face went white. He dropped the paper. His hands shook.
I'm sorry.
He said fast.
I love you. I love our family. I'll break up with Lisa today. I'll block her number. I'll never see her again.
Lisa? Who was Lisa? I had meant the woman from 11 years ago. But Noah was talking about someone else. Who is Lisa? I asked slowly. He froze. His face turned pale.
She's my coworker,
he whispered. Coworker. Present tense, not past tense. You cheating on me now? I whispered. He put his head in his hands.
I thought you knew. I thought someone told you.
I couldn't believe it. I found one affair from 11 years ago, and now there was another one. How long? I asked.
3 months,
he said. 3 months, while I cooked his dinner, while I washed his clothes, while I cared for our son.
I was going to end it,
he said.
I promise.
When? I asked. He was silent. You weren't going to, I said. You were going to keep lying,
No,
Noah said.
I love you.
You love me so much that you cheated twice? Tears filled his eyes.
Tell me what to do. I'll do anything.
I looked at him. My husband, the father of my child, the man who broke my heart twice. What could he do? What could anyone do? I don't know, I said. That night, Noah slept on the couch. I lay in bed alone. I thought about Leo. He was only 10. He loved his father. He loved our family. Should I break our family apart? Should I tell Leo the truth? Or should I forgive again? Leo needed his father, but I needed a husband I could trust. Could I ever trust Noah again? He cheated when I was pregnant. He was cheating now. Would he cheat again? I thought of good times. Noah teaching Leo to ride a bike. Family trips. Christmas mornings. Then I thought of lies, secrets, 2 affairs. I closed my eyes. Tomorrow I would have to decide. Stay for Leo or leave for myself. Forgive or say goodbye. The hardest choice of my life waited for me in the morning. But one thing was clear. My life would never be the same again. What would you do in her place? Forgive or walk away? Tell me in the comments below. If this story kept you reading until the end, don't forget to like the video and subscribe now to get more simple English stories. Lesson of the day. Affair. In this context, affair means a romantic or sexual relationship that happens in secret when someone is already married or in a serious relationship. Example from the story. I found one affair from 11 years ago. Now there was another one. More examples. She left him after discovering his affair. Nobody knew about the secret affair until years later. Having an affair can destroy trust in a marriage.